Welcome back to JoeBob's Garage. This is going to be a good episode. There I go saying that again. But hey, I think this is going to be a good one because I'm going to end up getting to see what the bike's going to look like in the end. I'm installing the gas tank and I am installing the seat so we can get an overall picture of what the bike's going to look like. So I'm looking forward to that. So let's get on this. Woo! All right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this steel tubing that I went and picked up at this scrapyard. It's nice thick wall tubing, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the gas tank up on here, measure where to put the hole for the back, because it's not a Frisco style. It doesn't have the little tab on the top. It has a bolt that goes through on the sides. So I'm going to drill a hole through the frame. I'm going to cut me a piece down the correct size, run it through the frame, weld that all up. Grind it down, make it look pretty, and that's going to be the first thing I do in this video, so let's get on it. Ooh, yeah. I know I did this out of order. I should have waited to the end to paint it, but I just got excited and couldn't help myself. I got a video on me making this tank too. It's got the visual gas gauge on it. Yeah, I just couldn't help myself. Alright, here's something I did a little different. Off camera I went back and made these a little longer because I like the tank sitting where it's level with the frame. And I like that look a lot better, but I'm not 100% sold on this gas tank yet, so I'm keeping all my options open. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. Alrighty. Yeah.
I like that.
Well, thank you. That's actually mine.
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Seriously?